Okay, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Simplefish app for the iPhone. You'll start out in the favorites view, but we don't have anything created yet. So to kind of give you an overview of how you get started, you'd go into the map view and it will zoom in and locate to your current location with the GPS. You've got the standard view, which we start out in, satellite, and hybrid. You'll notice that on the left hand you've got an option to toggle your GPS, and what this does is it starts off in map follow mode, and what this does is it keeps the map centered on your current location as you move. If for some reason you want to turn that off and not have the map center as you move, you can toggle this. And what that allows you to do is sometimes you may want to pinch and zoom and scroll around the map and look around without having the map automatically centered. So that's sometimes useful to you. So to kind of give you an idea of what you do to create a favorite, you click this to drop a pin, and once you dropped a pin, you can click on that pin and enter in a name for your favorite, and say whether you catch at this location an AM and PM. You can select what types of fish you catch, and I pre-populate this list for you when you first start the application, but you can add and delete from this list as you'd like to. Same for the bait. And you can obviously add a note. Okay, so now the note, the pin has been dropped, and if you have more than one favorite on your map at the time when you view it, they will all show up here. Let me go back to your favorites list. Now I can go in and obviously modify this if I choose to. What I catch, what bait I use, and you also have a button for weather that will give you the current conditions for that location. You can also do your look at the extended forecast. You have something called trips, which allows you to record individual fishing trips to your favorite fishing hole, and here you can select what type of fish you caught and how much it weighed. Obviously you can add notes for a particular trip. And now you notice you've got a trip that was on the 13th, and you have 2 fish recorded as caught. And of course you can add as many trips as you would like to a particular favorite location. So that kind of gives you a basic understanding of how you would navigate and add favorites. Of course you've got these tabs here where I mentioned that I pre-populate the list. You can of course add and delete from these lists of bait and catch as you desire.